Ever feel like your screen is still too bright even at the lowest brightness setting? If you often use your phone in a dark room or before sleeping, extra dim on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra can really help protect your eyes. Let me show you how to use it and adjust it just the way you like. First, head into Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Accessibility. Tap Accessibility, tap Vision Enhancement. Scroll down the screen, tap Extra Dim. Turn it on using the switch at the top. Your screen will become even dimmer than the normal brightness slider allows. If needed, you can use the intensity bar to adjust how dim you want it to be. You will also see an option named Turn Off After Restart. If you leave this on, extra dim will reset when you restart your phone. You can turn it off if you want to keep it always on. As the example, we will set this option to off. Here, you can also set a shortcut to make it easier to access. To do so, tap Extra Dim shortcut, turn it on, and then choose the desired shortcut you want to use. As the example, if you choose tap Accessibility button, then next time you can easily enable or disable extra dim by tapping the Accessibility button, and then tap Extra Dim to enable or disable it. Given to the function, Extra Dim is a great feature for using your phone at night without hurting your eyes or disturbing others nearby. It's easy to toggle, fully adjustable, and help reduce strain, especially in dark environment. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.